Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Aladin token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Aladin is a global infrastructure hub dedicated to bringing real world assets and businesses into the Web3 ecosystem. Over the past few years, Web3 has witnessed far too many movements ignited by emotion, a name and image, a story, a community frenzy. These can propel a project into the spotlight. That speed is captivating yet brutal. It allows many to experience the explosive power of the on-chain market for the first time, but it also revealed another side. A project can be popular for a while based on emotion, but if it is won't attract larger funds and navigate longer periods, it must ultimately return to assets, structure rules, and trust. Aladin token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Aladin token. Aladin token is listed on PancakeSwap, B2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.